How you doing, bro?
Good, good. How are you?
I like your ring muscle ups, man.
I'm trying.
You gotta have to show those to me in a minute.
Yeah, I don't really. I'm just trying my best. I don't really trying to get it.
How do you do it?
I don't know. I just
Any
practice
tips?
on those because
Yeah.
like, I also like watched this video and you don't hold it like normally. You don't like have your thumb underneath. You kind of keep
Over,
it
right?
above. Yeah. So I think it helps the wrist. I think so. It's a little different.
Do you
But-
find it much different from the muscle up on the
Yeah,
street
I don't know.
bar?
I can get some on those, but these ones I just can't for some reason.
Let's go, man. Huh.
So maybe because it's less strict or something. But
Okay.
I have a hard time. I haven't even gotten one really yet up here.
No, I was watching you do the muscle up on the rings. It looked really good.
Yeah, I'm trying to learn because like some guys that can do like a ton. It's absurd.
Dude, man, I've seen some dudes like
yeah,
fucking do that and then turn to a handstand.
it's crazy.
I'm like, these
It's
guys are like.
No, it's actually mad.
Dude.
But you go to the Brown Gym though normally, right?
Yeah.
I see you there often, but.
Oh, are you at the?
Yeah, I
are
go.
you a
I
Brown
go all
student?
this. No, I'm actually.
Are you
I
high
just
schooler?
graduated from high school, but I'm going to Brown
Oh.
next year.
What's your name, bro?
Ellie.
Ellie.
Nice to
Eric,
meet you.
nice to meet you. How do
Great.
you spell?
E-L-I-E.
Ellie. Okay.
Yeah. How about you? So you go to Brown?
So my wife teaches at Brown. Do you know what a postdoc is?
Yeah.
Yeah. So she's currently she's got a 2-year postdoc teaching gig there.
Nice.
So she just finished her first year.
What is she like looking
She's
at?
teaching Vietnamese Southeast Asian history.
Awesome. That's super cool.
Yeah. So you know, we're originally from Cali.
Oh, nice.
We moved here for the thing. She just finished her PhD like last year.
Really? How do you like it here though?
Dude, bro. Ellie, where you from?
I grew up here.
Okay.
Yeah.
I lived all around the world.
Yeah.
I would say Providence is the best city in America.
Really? Yeah.
Hands down. I grew up in the Bay Area.
Yeah.
So I think it's way better than SF, LA.
Yeah.
I went to UCLA as undergrad.
yeah.
So like, and we've all lived all around the world and
Cool.
stuff like that.
Awesome.
We spent like some time in Japan, Vietnam,
Wow,
and
it's amazing.
stuff like that. But bro, Providence is paradise. Dude.
Yeah. I
I really think it's the best city.
I love how many options you have. Like, you can go to the beach. You can go hike. You can ski. Like, you can do everything here. I feel like.
Yeah.
There's a nice city. There's some suburbs. Like, it's great. So.
Did you go to Wheeler?
Yeah, I went to Wheeler. Exactly. So right across the
sweet.
street.
Yeah.
So I'm not moving too far for college.
Well, I
but-
mean that's pretty. What? So what are you gonna major in?
I'm thinking about like international relations, like maybe
Okay.
like French or something.
Oh, what's your life goals?
I don't know, man.
Ellie life goals, bro.
I'm thinking I really want to like maybe be a hotel manager.
Okay.
Or
Well,
like
question. Do you think there'll still be hotels in the future?
yeah, I mean after
Or even
this,
travel?
Who knows?
Because bro, like I was
Yeah.
thinking about it.
It's kind of mad.
I think my theory is, I think France is gonna collapse.
Really.
Because think about it this way, like, we in Cindy studies Vietnamese French history.
Yeah.
So we spent some time living in France, in like Marseille and Aix-en-Provence and stuff
No
like that.
way, really.
So we spent some time. We have a bunch of French friends.
Yeah.
Bro, like, dude, France is fucked, man.
Really? Why do you say that?
Because like, okay, so I'll tell you. They're a bunch of like, kind of like you think Americans are entitled, right? The French are so entitled. They're so lazy, don't work, and then the mentality is everyone just wants handouts from the government.
Really? Yeah.
They're kind of like the society is kind of decaying right now because like no one really wants to work and everyone, you know, the favorite the joke, the favorite pastime of the French is to protest.
Yeah. That's
So
good.
they love to protest, and you know I still love French culture and stuff like
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
But like socio-economically, just the way things are going with their socialist whatever system, it's just kind of really on the down and down. I mean, the only
Really?
lasting I think France has is the cultural capital of like, you know, Frenchness and Louis
Yeah.
Vuitton and stuff like that.
Exactly.
But for the most part, like, I think France is gonna, I mean, like, if you really want to do international shit, I mean, I would study Mandarin or Chinese.
Really, that's what I heard. I heard that's on the come up. Like,
Yeah, because, like, honestly, I think my economic theory, and you already see this today, right? It's either America or China.
Yeah.
And
Of
so
course.
if you become the intermediary between both, I think, and then like people are like, oh, World War III. I'm like, nah. As long as we still make iPhones in
Yeah.
China, we're gonna be okay. And also, if you go to also Chinese people, right? If they have a choice of a Xiaomi phone or a Huawei phone or an iPhone, what are they gonna buy?
The Huawei, right? Don't they? No. Oh, well, yeah.
If you're a rich Chinese person, what's your phone?
Yeah, the iPhone. That's so true. That's fair. Yeah.
So it's kind of interesting because Chinese people, they always send, all the smart high school kids when they go to college, you know where they send their kids?
The U.S.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly.
So in some ways, like, the future is going to be America and China.
Yeah, I mean, so which part are you originally from Asia?
Oh, so my family's originally from South Korea.
Really? Yeah, my mom is from the Philippines.
Oh!
Yeah.
Filipino ho.
I can't speak Tagalog.
You can't speak Tagalog, bro?
But.
What's your dad?
My dad's from Greece and my mom's from the Philippines.
Oh, dude, my boy.
Yeah.
Yo, do you know I fuck with ancient Greek etymology?
Really?
Have you ever been on Wiktionary.org?
No.
So it's like Wikipedia but dictionary.
Yeah.
So almost all
That's how the words are created,
yeah.
right? Exactly.
So essentially, almost all of the great words are Greek or
Yeah.
Latin in nature. Most of them is Greek. So even for example, the word opinion, it comes from ancient Greek opinare, which just means to think.
Yeah.
So your opinion or to opine about something. So especially since you got it in your blood.
Yeah.
Dude, ancient Greek culture is the best. I'm
yeah,
actually
my
like.
sister's studying classics.
Oh yeah. You know classic? Like, do you study the classics or stuff like that? It actually because Brown has one of the top classics programs.
Yeah, she's there.
Oh, she's a Brown.
Yeah.
Wait, how old is your sister?
She's gonna be a junior.
What's her name?
Sophia.
What's her last name?
Papandreou.
Okay, so super Greek last name.
Yeah,
right?
very
That's
Greek, very
dope.
Greek, very Greek.
Oh, so you never been to Philippines, bro?
I have.
Oh, where have you been?
Well, I've been to Manila,
Okay.
Parañaque. Do you know Boracay? There are a lot of South Korean tourists that go to the Philippines.
Bro, I've been to Boracay.
Really, you liked it?
And I've been to Manila 3 times.
Great. No, it's not too. I heard it's really close to South Korea. It's like what is it? A 3-hour flight?
This is where it's interesting is that like a lot of rich South Koreans who want their kids to learn English actually end up sending their kids to the Philippines. Because A, it's closer, B, it's a little bit cheaper than sending to the States.
Yeah.
And actually, a lot of Korean businessmen go to the Philippines and get Filipino wives.
Oh. Wow.
And so actually, there's this new breed. Do you know about the fort in Makati?
No.
Essentially, it's like the Beverly Hills.
No, I've been to Makati though.
Oh, yeah,
my
yeah.
cousins live there. But
Have you been to the fort?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
Is that the apartment buildings or
Kind of, yeah. It used to be an ex-military fort.
Yeah.
And as a consequence, what happened was the whatchamacallit, because you know how like Philippines is pretty much like an American colony at this point.
Mm-hmm.
So it used to be like a military fortress.
Yeah.
And then now it's just kind of like Beverly, kind of like the new like apartment building condo area.
Yeah.
And it's kind of like its own little spaceship. Like if you could take all the rich people in the Philippines and Manila, they all essentially live there, and it's kind of interesting because it's kind of like a bubble society.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean like Philippines is yo, you like lumpias?
Of course.
Yo, hello.
Of course, exactly.
Dude, my boy,
That's
man.
great. Yeah.
So I'm all for that.
That's awesome. So are you working currently?
So fun
In
story.
province?
I'm 32, and I've been self-employed the last 11 years.
Cool. With what?
So if you just Google Eric Kim, like Eric, you ever watch South Park?
Yeah.
You know Eric Cartman?
Yeah.
You know Cartman's first name's Eric?
No way.
Eric Cartman?
Yeah.
So like Eric Cartman, and Kim like kimchi because I'm Korean. You just Google me, I'm number 1 on Google.
Oh, cool.
So I'd probably say like my number 1 passions is definitely like, I mean, it used to be travel, right?
Yeah,
but now whatever. But it's like, for me, it just comes down to like art, entrepreneurship, and maybe philosophy.
Yeah.
So yeah, like.